Moin, ich sind Dan von Luxembourgish with Anne. Now, this lesson is all about Luxembourgish pronunciation. So why you should study and why you should practice your pronunciation. Prêt? It is a mistake to think that pronunciation is any less important than reading, listening, or speaking skills. Now, pronunciation is the bridge between you and a native Luxembourgish speaker. So one of the biggest problems for you as a Luxembourgish learner is to find someone to speak with, isn't it? And once you have the opportunity to speak to someone, but you show the slightest weakness in your pronunciation, what do usually native speakers do? Yes, they instantly switch to another language, French, English, or German. Or they might frown and ask, "Wat gelieft?" This is very embarrassing. And what's worse, it makes you lose your motivation and your confidence in your own Luxembourgish. You begin to doubt yourself, and it will be even more difficult to speak the next time because you will be worrying whether people will or will not understand you. Okay? Now, let me tell you a personal anecdote about this. Now, to refresh my English, after having lived 3 years in France, I hired an English teacher to practice my oral expression. Now, the first question the teacher asked me during our free lesson was, "So, do you speak good English?" And my answer was, "I think so." Then my teacher took a pen and drew on the whiteboard a ship sinking. And then he looked at me with a friendly smile and said, "Ah, you think so." Now you notice I only pronounced 3 words and my teacher could already tell me if my English was good or not. It wasn't because I used the wrong words or I used bad grammar structures. No, it was the way I pronounced the English word to think. Now, the English TH sound is an unfamiliar sound for Luxembourgers, and it takes time to practice to get the correct pronunciation. You see, if you don't have a good pronunciation, then people simply may not understand you, or what's worse, they may even misunderstand you. It is very important to work hard on your pronunciation. Now, pronunciation is not about removing your accent. It is about making your Luxembourgish sounds clear and natural, so to avoid any confusion about what you are saying. Pronunciation is a skill. It is a skill that requires particular attention and specific study. Now, Luxembourgish is a much more phonetically consistent language than English. This means that Luxembourgish words almost sound the way they are spelled. But Luxembourgish has many compound letters which together make a new sound. For example, we have vowel combinations such as A, I, O. And we have as well some consonant combinations such as sp, sp, or x, x, to name just some of them. And then Luxembourgish has as well strange vowels with 2 dots at the top. These are the E, the Ö, and the Ü, called umlauter. So it is crucial to pronounce each of these sounds correctly. Let me show you what I mean. Take for example this word, daya, daya. But if you pronounce it daya or dia, then native speakers may misunderstand you, okay? Or let's take this word, Zug, Zug. But if you pronounce it Zush or Zug, then native speakers may have some problems to understand you. Now, that's the reason why any student of Luxembourgish should learn sounds associated with certain spellings as soon as possible. Now, when you learn to make the correct sound, your Luxembourgish will become much easier to understand and you will sound more natural. You will gain in confidence and it will be easier for you to communicate in Luxembourgish. And knowing how to pronounce a word will help you to use it in communication. Okay? For example, I see some of my students systematically avoiding some words because they don't know the correct pronunciation and thus they are limited in their communication. So, just as you study and practice grammar, vocabulary, you should study and practice pronunciation. Now, having said this, the pronunciation, so a good pronunciation, this is as well a passing criteria of the oral expression test, which is part of the Sprachentest, our Luxembourgish language test to be able to apply for the Luxembourgish citizenship. Okay? Now, do you want to speak clearly, naturally, and confidently? Then I can help you. Now, there is one good way to study, to practice, and to improve your pronunciation. And that's with my Luxembourgish online course. Now, I have created this pronunciation online course not only for beginners, but as well for advanced or intermediate learners who just want to work on their pronunciation or to improve their pronunciation. I have put a link to this pronunciation online course below this video. And what's more, get 2 lessons of this online course all completely free. And I want you to try these lessons. For example, in lesson 1, you will learn how to pronounce the Luxembourgish vowels. Now we have 5 vowels, but more than 20 vowel sounds. And in lesson 1, I will explain why we have so many vowel sounds, and you will learn to learn some of them and also have the possibility to practice these sounds. And in lesson 2, you will learn what a diphthong is and how to pronounce the Luxembourgish diphthongs. Now, these lessons are short, but you have the possibility to listen again and again to the video, so to practice your pronunciation. Okay, great. So don't forget, I have put a link in, under this video. Merci fürs Zuhören. Thank you for listening.